Here comes Amethyst. Rusty, shh. Quiet. This is kind of a secret mission, remember? Oh, yeah. Wait, do you hear something? Are you trying to spook me? Because it's not going to work. Ah! Quiet, you two. Ash, you sound like a bird. Sorry I'm late. My teacher kept us all in to talk to us about a math assignment or something. Wasn't really listening. Too excited. So, we all here then? Well, let's go. Not so fast. I see you found our map. Yep, I found it just lying on the ground. Seriously. I'm sure you did. And what exactly were you planning on doing with it? We're going to find the Lifestone and save our village. Oh, you are you? Look, Raven, what choice do we have? The village is slowly dying, and no one's doing anything about it. Don't you want to try and save this place? Come on, Raven, this is really important. To all of us. I'm coming along. But it's my map, so I'm coming. And let's face it, you'll need me. Ash, it can't hurt, right? Okay, well, we're leaving right now. Keep up, you guys. Lead the way. I mean, it's only gonna be a good thing having someone older with us, right? We'll see. So, Raven, great to have you along. Mm-hmm. This is going to be so awesome! Awesome, 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 awesome!
Looking back on it now, we all took it so lightly, like just another school field trip. Well, you probably want to know what happens next, don't you? I remember the impatience and excitement of being young like you lot. All right.
We've been walking for hours. Yeah, and I am hungry. Sapphire, where's the food? I thought you were bringing it, Ash. Do I look like a vending machine to you? Oh my gosh! I forgot the food! Kids. Sorry, guys. I don't usually forget stuff. I guess I was just too excited. Wait. Doesn't Farmer ACRE live around here? Somewhere?
We had all heard about Farmer ACRE. He was pretty much a legend around the village. Well known for being a gigantic, terrifying beast. He apparently lived all alone, and it is said that anyone that stumbled onto his land, where it just so happened that many amazing crops grew, was never heard from again.
So this is the terrifying Farmer ACRE's place. It must be. No one else we know lives this far out of town. Right? So much for the stories. Guys, I'm really hungry. Can we see if he has any food? Good idea. But if we see Farmer ACRE, I'll do the talking, since I'm the most mature. Uh-huh. Look! Okay, I'm hungry. As we can all see, it says help yourself. So let's eat. I don't know. Something about those legends must be true, right? Maybe the food is rotten with all like these bugs and stuff inside it. Ooh, maybe the box is booby-trapped. And when we touch it, something's gonna jump out and grab us. But I'm really hungry. Well, you shouldn't have forgotten the food. Okay, this is just silly. I'm going to walk up to that box and grab us some food. Rusty. What? I think we better go. But there's still some food left in the... Oh. Run! Run like the wind! It was Raven! didn't.
It was around about that time I learned my first lesson to not believe everything people tell you.